SAP HANA is a high-performance ERP system that powers many of today's most critical businesses. Organizations expect scalable, enterprise-grade backup, recovery, and database cloning for their mission-critical systems like SAP HANA. Traditional backup and recovery solutions result in large backup windows due to periodic full backups. Further, your backup data cannot be readily used for DevOps since it's in a backup format. This also results in large recovery times before reuse. If you need to recover, you need to rehydrate data from the backup format at the last full backup and then apply all the incrementals. Actifio GO, Actifio's SaaS platform on Google Cloud, solves the technical and business challenges enterprises face running large multi-terabyte SAP workloads on-premises or in public clouds. It offers a unified solution for both data protection and HANA database cloning for DevOps, that is TDM, along with very low RPO and RTO. You can achieve quick backups and instant recovery through an SAP certified solution. Here we have a scenario of running SAP HANA locally on premises and looking to create a continuous backup to the Google Cloud for disaster recovery. It's important to consider both the backup process to the cloud as well as fast recovery of your data in case of a disaster. Actifio uses the SAP HANA Native Snapshot API to achieve application consistency. It uses its own proprietary and patented change block tracking to perform incremental forever backups. Each point-in-time incremental backup is synthesized to be a full virtual copy. There is no extra storage consumed for the virtual full copy, and you can recover a full database without having to apply all incremental backups. With Actifio, you can back up to persistent disk or nearline or cold line object storage in Google Cloud and mount data back directly from block or object storage in case of a disaster. For recovery, a DBA can recover multi-terabyte HANA databases in Google Cloud from any point in time in minutes. Actifio mounts the point-in-time backup image, which is in native HANA data format, to the recovery server and recovers the database within minutes. This can be done from Google Persistent Disk as well as nearline or cold line storage, which really helps you further lower your TCO. If you already have your SAP HANA instances running in the Google Cloud Platform, using Actifio you can protect your data from loss or corruption. Just like on-premises, you can leverage the golden master copy to mount the database on the new server and have your SAP application up and running within a few minutes. You could also migrate your on-premise deployment of SAP HANA to the Google Cloud Platform and run your environment fully in the cloud. To start, you first provision network and security in the Google Cloud for your new environment. Once you are ready to begin the migration, Actifio acts as the data mover by non-disruptively creating a full copy of the SAP HANA production data to your new cloud environment. Once the migration is complete, it is recommended that you implement data protection in Google Cloud, as we talked about earlier. Building a DevOps test environment in Google Cloud is easy and cost-effective with Actifio. Backups should not lay idle and should be reused for instant database cloning, even from backups stored in Google Nearline or cold line storage. Actifio GO creates on-demand virtual copies of production data from one golden copy of the data, which is managed through a single user-friendly dashboard. One big advantage is the cost savings, since you are creating a virtual copy of your environment and not using any storage resources except changes made by your DevOps teams. For a DevOps test environment, a golden copy, i.e. a backup of your production SAP HANA, is created. From the golden copy, you can create zero-cost, fully read-write clones to be used by DevOps. The only incremental cost comes from any changes made by the DevOps team. Actifio offers the full suite of capabilities an organization needs to have a comprehensive strategy for protecting and reusing your data both on-premises and in the cloud. As the world shifts toward data intelligence, systematic reuse, and increased security and privacy, it is critical to have the right technology partners.